Your party has way too many carry-ons.
What if Junior wore some of his new clothes?
Here, put this one on, sweetie.
Now this.
My grandson has asthma.
In that case, I'm gonna need to see a doctor's note or a prescription.
I can't find it.
You have a temperature.
No, it's because I'm wearing 4 coats. But my dad, he'll take care of this.
You guys need to exit the line.
Wasn't someone looking for this?
That's not our problem.
Is this yours?
My inhaler!
Mr. Wakefield, president of the airline.
Dad!
Junior!
This lady Shauna wouldn't let us on.
Sometimes we have to use our better judgment instead of the book. From now on, you're a baggage handler.